Hello, my fly babies, my patrons, my lions living in your new strength. This is your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, and it is our free day. Hooray! So on Tuesday, we have a 3-layer cake. Our first layer is our 5 routines. We're going to get up in the morning, take care of our own personal morning routine, and then make sure our children are put through their morning routine. You're kind of editing that for them along the way in a very peaceful and comforting manner because you've already taken care of yourself, so you can extol your peace onto your children. Is that right? Anyway, help them feel that same peace instead of that angst and anxiety because mom is too busy to help me, okay? Or I don't know what to do, or I'm overwhelmed. Little kids get that way. So having your morning routine out of the way first is going to really help you be able to help your children. And in turn, you're going to feel better. All right, so morning routines. After that, if you're going to work, that's it. You're just going to go to work. When you come home, you're going to do your laundry and your paper routine. If you are staying home, start your laundry, go through your paper. Then the other 2 routines are going to happen after dinner and before bed. Before bed routine, make sure that you're following the same time every day as close as you can. You know, this is not a science. It's not an exact art. It's just pretty good. You're getting to bed pretty good, pretty close to the right time, okay? And there's forgiveness in there. All right, then also check your planner every night. So let's get into the day. Let's get into the day. So after you've done your morning routines, if you're staying home, then you're going to start your zone. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. If you have decluttering, do it for 15 minutes and complete the process as we talked about yesterday. If you are at work, you're going to do that when you get home. After you've got dinner started and you've got your laundry going, you're going to work on your kitchen for 15 minutes, unless you've already decluttered it, in which case you only have a 10-minute or less thing to do in there. One of the things you put in your planner that you were going to do this week, 4 things in the kitchen, 1 a day for 4 days. Oh, but no, not today. It's our free day. You're skipping today. So never mind. You don't have to declutter or clean your kitchen today. All right, and then the third thing is our basic weekly plan. For today, it's our free day, so that's it. It's your free day. Go do something for yourself. Go do something for yourself, all right? Okay, now do remember to do 3 clutter checks a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, to make sure your house isn't reconverging with, what's the word I'm looking for? Being conquered by new clutter. That's the best way I can put it. You want to keep that clutter at bay. So 3 of those little clutter checks a day. No judgment. It's all done by people who don't mean to do it. It's mindless. You're doing it too. Let's look and get it picked up 3 times a day. That way you don't have so much to do at the end of the day. 3 little clutter checks. Get the whole family involved. Okay. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous free day, and always remember that you are beautiful.